So here is how you can increase download speed in a Chrome on Android. So let me explain it, and if it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So there are a few things or settings you need to change in terms of your phone to begin with. So if you would go to your built-in settings app and go to the connections, you would have the ability to go to mobile networks and choose the network mode. So if you are using mobile data, make sure that it's selected to not something like 3G, right? But make sure that you have the highest possible speed selected, so you can as well just get the highest speed possible. Right, so that would be like the first thing to check out and make sure you have it set up properly. Then you should also, what you could also do is to get a download manager. So you can go to the Play Store and download a download manager. I have this one in here, but there are more of them available, right? There are apps which have literally hundreds of millions of downloads, and you can install those, and those are going to be like dedicated apps for downloading things. Because if you think about it, Google Chrome is made for not only downloading but like browsing the web and storing bookmarks and syncing stuff with your Google account, so it's not like the main focus. And if you have like specific links or files you want to download, you might want to try it through an app like this one, right? And you will have the ability to, set up the downloads and also control how many threads you want to be downloading and so on. You can also change the download speed in there, which you don't really have available in the basic Google Chrome. So that's how it would work. That's the option you would have to kind of like give it a try if it's actually faster. But there are still some more things which you would be able to check out. For example, it might happen that the problem is not on your side, but it's literally on the server. Like the limitation is from servers. So no matter what you do, you're not going to be able to get the faster speed. So you can check out like a different browser, try perhaps using the built-in Samsung Internet if you have it, or Firefox, or something else instead of Chrome to see if it makes it any faster for the downloads. And last but not least, also I would recommend you to monitor the speed test of your internet generally through the app, so you can actually manage and check it out in there to kind of like make sure that your internet is working fine. So as you can see, there are so many moving pieces in here, and yeah, there are more things which could cause the slower download. So let me know if you manage to find the reason for it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the future videos.